lusai mizo tihi kan khel masapot don ani lusai tihi kan pian pui naming generic name ani lova namdangin min ko nani lusai ti chu lusei atrangan lak ni na langa ma se lusei chu mizo nampeng tam tak singa pakhat ve mai ania min huap zolo Siar pui mas saber sang kazakua pakhata khan Mizorama mizo inti tu ma an la omlo. Mani cibing ming lusei maral te pai te poi te maral le adang te ti vekin kan lain ziak lut ane. Siar pui mas saber sensas mas sabera Mizorama mizo pakhat ma kan omlo. Kaka lo cince ilah. Sang kazakua somlile paruka political party masaber mizo union allowing ta zona thak peng sang ten kan zawai kan naming nomenclature tan mizo chu official man alonita chiar pui masaber atanga kumsom ruk ahanral meu chuan sang kazakua somruk pakhat sensa sa chuan mizorma mizo inti za somrial le pariat point panga kan lom tani So the cop chuan kan zawai deuh thoin mizo ti nomenclature chu mizoram chunga mi te chuan kan lo pom ta amaro chu thil poi mo deuh mai chu mizo in ti zinga hian mizo nam abil tu ma kanom lo mani nam minga mizo ti mang tu ma kan om lo kan zawaya huap ming ani tok mai ni chu wangin lo in ti mizo bik te kan lo ompal thaya hian in pum khanna dal theni ti po kan soidu ani adon le chuan ku ki le chin ti hi an soi kop leila kum zale somni pariat liam ta khan Chin Hills Regulation 1896 chuan heti hian alo rikota chins include lusais cookies Burmans domiciled in the Chin Hills and are habitually resident in the Chin Hills, the inn. Kumzale somni liamta khan G.A. Grierson chuan heti hian alosia. The term cookie is an Assamese or Bengali word applied to such hill tribes of Lusais, Rangkos, Thados, etc., who were residing within India. On the other hand, Chin is a Burmese word which is used to denote all various hill tribes living in country between Burma and the provinces of Assam and Bengal. The word cookie and Chin are thus synonymous and are both primarily used for many of the hill tribes in general. Therefore, the word cookie Chin was coined and employed by early researchers. The in Tahian a reference kada zela G.A. Grierson, The Linguistic Society of India, Survey of India, 1904, Volume 3, Part 3, page 123, Calcutta Printing Press, 126. Ani kan kamitiam ten inon enzuidon niyan. Kum somsari paruk liam toa khan Chin Hills Act 1948 chuan heti hian aloda vea. Chins referred to the indigenous ethnic groups inhabiting the Chin Hills region in western Burma. These groups include Chin, Kuki, Lai, Mara, Matu, Mizo, Zomi. The Act defined Chins as the various ethnic tribes residing in the Chin Hills district who share cultural, linguistic, and historical ties. Team. Kumsungale pangaliam ta khan Chin Affairs Minister chu Puja Shelian aniya. Cabinet Minister ani. Ambassador to France, Holland, Spain, Egypt le Nepal te anibok. Sangkazakwasam sari panga Ambassador to Nepal ani lain Dictator General ni Win Adulo Wangin USA political asylum alani. Puza Helian Chuan Hetihian Aloziaka. Chin he call in official an man ania. Nima sila an mani chuan he ming hi an mang ngai lo. Chin ti hi chin ho thumala a om lo reng ani ti in. Reference Chin Dictionary and Grammar by M. Jordan, Paris, 1969. Kum Somthum Pasari Liamta Khan B.S. Carey Chuan Tiyan Alosia. These Chin tribes called Mizo in India led an uninhabited existence till the end of 19th century, when the British administrators undertook surveys and expeditions and demarcated boundaries 1935 for their administrative purposes, dividing the same people into Lusais within bracket Mizos and Chins in India and Burma respectively. The in. Reference B.S. Carey and H. Intact, The Chin Hills Volume 1, Inner Flap, Second Para, 1987. So this one, Hang Lusai, Kuki, Chin, Titahi, Kan Pian Pui Nam Ming, generic name, Anilon. Namdangin min ko na may aniti, kan chiang to me. Atira heng mingi kay mani poing kan pungay lova. Alo ray nuwa yan lungoy takin kan puta mainiin alang. Trang taran lo piang zela kuki nan lo piang at sini nan lo piang ah. Kan nam anitak take mo kan tia lungoy takin kan pomtani. Atira chuan kan niti po kan infir lo. Kan nam ming niktak chu anilo ti ka ron finfia katumani. Tuna zo ti vetung. Kum sang khat za som rupani zet liamta edi zariat som rupani akhan. Indo-Burman chanchin siak tu Chinese historian Fan Cho Chuan kan pipu de chanchin ziana zo ti hi along mang dai to. Kum sang khat le za le som ruk le patni liamta akhan. Chinese historian Masa de Chuan zo ti hin min lo record ani chu. A reference to Chin Hills Linguistic Tour 1955 University Project by G.S. Lewis and Journal of Burma Research Society, 47 June 1959, page 1. Kumzani somlile pakat liamta sang kajasari somriat Pathuma Khan, Catholic Father Vincent Chuan, ale kabua zo ti in aloda vebok. Reference V. Sanger Manoy, A Description of the Burmese Empire, edited by Jardine, Rangoon, page 43. Kumzale somthum pathum liam to